Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make the best chocolate truffles, only way. Melt 8 ounces of dark chocolate over simmering water and stir in 1/2 cup heavy cream until glossy, then chill until firm. Scoop with a melon baller into 1-inch portions, roll quickly to form neat spheres, and coat in cocoa, nuts, or tempered chocolate. Store airtight and serve at room temperature for perfect texture. Start with quality chocolate and basic tools to ensure smooth, consistent truffles every time. Heat the cream until steaming and pour over chopped chocolate, stirring until fully combined and glossy. Add butter or liqueur if desired, then chill the ganache until firm but still scoopable. Portion with a melon baller, roll quickly, and coat with your chosen finish. Small steps and good ingredients yield rich, velvety truffles that impress. Quick pause: if you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated while snacking on truffles with the Owala water bottle, which keeps drinks cold and fits in most cup holders, making kitchen prep and taste testing easier. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Timing and technique matter when shaping truffles, so chill the ganache until firm but still scoopable. Use a melon baller for consistent 1-inch portions, and keep hands cool to prevent sticking while rolling on parchment. Coat truffles right away in cocoa, nuts, or tempered chocolate for a clean finish and texture contrast. Practice makes speed and smoother results, and small adjustments improve shape, shine, and flavor balance.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.